now we've gone past the field, or 3 fields, which is just going to Tolworth. Come back round always on that white bridge, just over there. There we go. And all the way round here, past the Water's Edge estate. We're now heading towards our old primary school, Riverview C of E Primary School, which will eventually lead me out to near Epsom, but cutting off at Ewell village. I'm not going to walk to Epsom today, just to Ewell village. And there's just a minor estate, a few high-rise blocks and stuff like that. I'm still following the Hogsmill River, which obviously, as I say, lead up to in Kingston, then go to the Thames in London, which it branches off to round Kingston. So just following the path near or right next to the Water's Edge estate, because obviously Kingston upon Thames, this one goes to eventually, and then through your village, stuff like that. We're nearly at my old primary school. Right, I've made it just over the way to my old primary school. Obviously it's been redone since I've been there. I was last there in 2001, early 2001. Went to Epsom High School in 2001, September. So I just turned left here. I'll have a rest in a bit. It's getting quite warm today. You wouldn't think it, it's not far from Christmas. Yes, Lex Oliver, that little C word. Christmas. Just over to my left is Riverview C of E Primary School, my old primary school. To get a better shot around. Looks like it's playtime. 27 minutes past 12. Fair enough. Oh. Yeah, it's all been done out since I was here last. Well, at school anyway. Nice little big buildings. And a children's centre to the left. Brings back mega nostalgia. Oh, well, obviously not that part, but the part down below and all the other bits. Nice breeze, lovely. Huh? Oh, they got a bus. Probably a bus for London or something. What the hell? Alright. Fair enough, showing the kids a bus. Just down this path, I'm heading towards the Hogsmill open river space. Basically like an open area with the Hogsmill River going past it. It's not far down here. But another 10 minutes or so, for example. Go down here, cross another road, and then go a little bit further down, and there it is. But firstly, I fancy having a swing on the swings. Don't know why, but why not? You only live once. You only live twice. Well, once. Here I am, giving myself a little swing. Whee! Being a complete numpty, but oh well. Hiya, Daddy, hiya! Mummy, hiya! I want to go higher! Woo! Oh. Didn't really work. Oi. Bit monotonous, but yeah. Oh. Oh dear, it's a bit of playful side of me, which obviously you'll see at the meetup. Tempting to climb this little thing here. Oh dear. Oh dear me. Look at that, look how high I am. Let's go down the slide. Can't go up the slide. Oh crap. Oh dear, you got to have fun once in your life. Oh dear me. Just about to attempt the monkey bars. Fingers crossed, touch wood, they work. Saw it came from this way, and now I'm going to go this way in front because it's the way to the Hogsmill open river space. So that's where I'm heading now. You saw me having fun at a little playground. Haven't been there for years, to be honest, obviously, but so let's turn you round and have a look around this way. Just gone past Riverview Primary School again. Well, not the way we did before, but just showing you a bit. I might show you a little bit of Epsom New High School before we head over to the other side. Because Epsom New High School is the... I should turn around actually. It's the high school that I went to. Epsom and Ewell High School. So it's basically the local school. You've got Epsom New High School and you've got Blenheim, which are local high schools in the area. There's a few more around the area, like Glyn, for example, and some of the others. But Glyn's near Ewell Village, near Nescott College. Again over here, another path of the Hogsmill. It goes... I'm not sure, I think it's that way, I believe, or was it that way? One of the ways, left or right. It goes towards Kingston, and then that heads up towards London, which heads into the... because Hogsmill heads right into the River Thames. Because you'll see it when you're going towards Kingston, the Hogsmill and the Thames meet, somewhere around there. Oh, hopefully you're enjoying these vlogs. Do let me know down below what you think of these vlogs, and anything you want to say about it or ask me around my local area, or if you lived around the local area for a while, if you went to Epsom New High School, Riverview, whatever really. Okay, we're coming up towards the main road here in a bit. Keep cool and hydrated with a bottle of water. Perthshire water. Hopefully you can see this. It's the Hogsmill Local Nature Reserve where they go. Again, where I was before, near the Bonesgate pub, which is the William Bourne. Came all the way up, and I am near somewhere around here. Can't really see that, to be honest, but got like loads of kingfishers and different little butterflies, birds and all that jazz. What I'm going to do now, guys, is go up to Co-op, get a bit of lunch, something to eat, and then show you Epsom New High School, and then come back to where he was, across the road, towards the next part, towards Ewell Village. So stay tuned for the next bit. Again, I'm just going to show you the Hogsmill Local Nature Reserve area. We started at the Bones Gate, which is the William Bourne, all the way up and round. We're now about here. Just going to go down through there up to where Ewell Village is, the village of Ewell. So it's not far, it's just that way around. Shouldn't take too long to get to Ewell Village. Got the charity shops. We're still on the Hogsmill Local Nature Reserve trail. We've been following that all the way since what was formerly known as the Bones Gate, which is now known as the William Bourne. This is an open area, open space. So, as I say, following that all the way to Ewell Village. I'll just get a couple of shots of around. I did show you a little bit of Epsom New High School, but it was lunchtime, so couldn't really do a lot about that. We're still following the Hogsmill River, which is just down there, and the Hogsmill River open space towards Ewell Village. Also, do let me know down below what you liked about this video, what you're looking forward to, because there sure will be 2 or 3 parts. At the moment filming it, I'm not sure which part this is, but yeah, just give me a comment down below on what you've liked about this video, what you like to see in future videos, for example. Oh, just the birds flapping about. I'll turn you around and get some more shots. Oh, look at that, just beautiful, eh? It's absolutely beautiful. Now we're getting to the proper part of it. Because where I started was the Bones Gate, as I said previously, which is now the William Bourne, been out for years. All the way round, because I could do it, come up here in 10 minutes flat, or say 15 minutes at a slow pace, but I like to go around in the nature and bring you subscribers around the nature. Because there still is a lot of nature in the UK. Contrary to popular belief, there still is a lot of nature in the UK. A lot of national nature reserves, a lot of areas untouched. A lot of places where you don't really see if you live in a city. If you live in the country, fair enough. All that, but still. Oh, dear me. Just have a look around and see, because it shouldn't be too far towards Ewell Village, the village of Ewell. Ah, not too bad, really. That weather is absolutely gorgeous. It's proper, oh, I can't believe it. September, 17th of September, we're having 25 degrees. I reckon it is about 25, no higher, but 25. Stuff like that, oh, it's gorgeous. Oh. Woo. But yeah, so I'm fully stacked up with drinks. I had a bacon sandwich earlier, way earlier, about 9:30, 20 to 10, something like that. And then I've just had lunch about 20 minutes ago. A sandwich and I've got a drink in the bag, bottle of water, for example. Oh, we're here at, I know where we are. If you pop over here, yeah. I don't want to fall in, but let's go. There we go. Like a little playground just over there. Near the King George playing fields. I'll take you over there in a minute, actually. I'll take you over to the King George playing fields soon, where I used to do sports day for Epsom Ewell High School. We used to do sports day. Again, we're still following the path of the Hogsmill River. Just this way there. We'll be heading towards Ewell village, just over here, just down this way. Heading towards Ewell Court Park, pretty much, where we've got the ducks. Oh, ducks, I love ducks. But I'll show you this way a bit. Just over here we've got a park, but I can't really show you that too much. Because obviously people in here, for example, but just take my word for it, a park, all that jazz. Because we've been following it, if you follow this from the first one, we've been following it all the way since the Wheeling Bourne, so come round. Oh, yeah, here it is over here, a few little bits and pieces. I could go that way as well. Just as we're in this big field, this is the King George V recreation ground. The big area, you've got the little park there, just over there. This is the big football pitches. Just over the backdrop there is the sports area with running track and all that for the sports days for Epsom Ewell High School. I'm pretty sure they're still there. Over here, if you can see, just zoom you in a bit, tennis courts, there, some tennis courts, so you can play tennis, some basketball as well, over there. You've got football pitches, a park, the athletics area over there. Oh yeah, it's not really bad, bad really. Good, yeah, it's a good time of day really to come. Obviously, most kids come around 4 o'clock-ish. Obviously they finish school, but as I'm here already, I might as well. So yeah, that's just the King George V playing fields, or recreation grounds I like to call it.